How's it going, everybody, and welcome to Neal Ashby Photography YouTube channel. I'm Neal, and today this is our first video on this channel. People may recognize me or know me from a different channel, which was our gaming channel, which is EK1 Gaming TV. But we've started up this photography channel purely because I've got a real passion for photography, videography, and tech and equipment to do with that genre. So I thought instead of just putting it all on one YouTube channel, we would actually come over here and not bombard the gaming community with photography and videography and vice versa. So I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do enjoy these videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button on this channel here. If you like gaming content, go ahead and subscribe to EK1 Gaming TV. Also, on top of that, any questions, leave them in the description below. I will answer every single question. Today's video, I am going to be doing a super fast tutorial showing you how to get images like this, where you can put the writing behind an image. This is especially good if you're gonna do a stack of images for Instagram or for social media. It's a real good thing to put on as the cover, and also as a thumbnail for YouTube videos or shorts or however you're gonna do it. It just gives it that good effect, and it's really simple and easy to do. With all that being said, let's get straight over to the MacBook now. We're going to be using Adobe Photoshop 2025, but this will work on any Photoshop application. You can probably take bits from this as well and use it in different applications, maybe Canva. It's pretty much a similar process for it all. So let's get over there onto the laptop and show you exactly how it's done. So the first step is, of course, to open up Photoshop and create a new document with the dimensions that you want your document to be. After that, we're then going to place the image that we want to use. So the image that we're going to put the text behind, we're going to place that embedded onto that canvas. So once you have it onto the canvas, adjust it as you would like. So to make sure it's within the actual canvas itself, you've got everything on show. And then you're going to add a text layer. Type in whatever text you like. And then, of course, get the size right of the text. So for me, it's going to be quite big. We're going to put it behind the Berlin Cathedral here. Do it as big as you want. Don't go too big, just in case applications such as Instagram and stuff like that actually clip it a little bit, and you know, they crop the images slightly. So just get it in place where you want it. If you want to add multiple text, you can add multiple text. So we'll add now just like landscape, and then we'll probably put photography in the bottom right, as you've seen in the image. So landscape, photography, Berlin. This is just something that I've used on Instagram. So if you are following me on Instagram at Neal Ashby Photography, you will see that I've used this, and I'll probably use this for most of the covers of my albums on there. So once you've got that there all lined up how you want it, this is just a rough guide. You can then also obviously change your text, so you can change the spacing and stuff like that within the text. I usually set mine to around 100. Then just basically make sure you can't see the text. So press the I next to the text. Add a new group, and then all you're going to do is drop all of those text layers into that group. And then if you want to, you can just label this text. You don't have to, it's literally going to be the only group there. Click back on the background, and you're going to want to go over to the tools on the left, and this is where we're going to select the object or select the thing that you want to use for the text to go behind. So as you hover above it, it does a really good job, Photoshop, of AI, of picking out that the object that you need. But the top right you can see is highlighted. That doesn't matter because it's not going to affect our text. It's not in our text zone. So click back on the text group now, leave it highlighted, and then click layer masks. When you put the text back on now, so you press the I next to it, you can notice that it's sort of inside the picture, but you just click invert. So make sure you've got the text group selected, click invert, and it will literally appear like it is meant to appear. And what you can do now, if you want to, you can select all the text, you can move it, you can change the size of it, you can change it, you can put strokes on it, or whatever you want it to do. You can do that now while it's behind the image or the part of the image that you wanted it to be at. So I hope you find this video helpful. Again, if you do, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next video.